Welcome to our channel MCQ1. In today's topic, we will going to cover top 30 biology MCQ. So let's start the video. Which of the following vitamins is stored in the liver? Vitamin A, Vitamin E, Vitamin C, Vitamin K. The correct answer is option A. Vitamin A is stored in the liver. Which is the largest cell in the human body? Blood cells, female egg, male sperm, none of the above. The correct answer is option B. Female egg is the largest cell in the human body. Which is the smallest cell in the human body? Blood cells, female egg, male sperm, none of the above. The correct answer is option C. Male sperm is the smallest cell in the human body. Hair color in human turn white due to absence of which of the following pigment? Melanin, melatonin, bilirubin, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Hair color in human turn white due to absence of melanin pigment. Enzyme present in the saliva is lipase, trypsin, phthalate, amylase. The correct answer is option C. Enzyme present in the saliva is phthalate. Which part of the brain is associated with emotions and memory? Medulla oblongata, amygdala, hippocampus, cerebellum. The correct answer is option B. Amygdala part of the brain is associated with emotions and memory. Which of the following arteries supply blood to head and neck? Coronary artery, carotid artery, mesenteric artery, intercostal artery. The correct answer is option B. Carotid arteries supply blood to head and neck. Percentage of water in brain cells is about 20%, 65%, 85%, 89%. The correct answer is option C. Percentage of water in brain cells is about 85%. Where are the parathyroid glands located? Neck, abdomen, chest, brain. The correct answer is option A. The parathyroid glands are located in the neck. Fallopian tube is also known as oviduct, uterus, ureter, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Fallopian tube is also known as oviduct. In human body, 99% of total mass is formed of 16 bioelements, 12 bioelements, 10 bioelements, 6 bioelements. The correct answer is option D. In human body, 99% of total mass is formed of 6 bioelements. The scientific word for human beings is consumer, Homo sapiens, animals, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The scientific word for human beings is Homo sapiens. Which part of the cell makes protein? Ribosomes, mitochondria, lysosomes, vacuole. The correct answer is option A. Ribosomes part of the cell makes protein. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by abnormal increase of the red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets, blood plasma. The correct answer is option B. Leukemia or blood cancer is characterized by abnormal increase of the white blood cells. Nitrogen is present in carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, carbonates. The correct answer is option B. Nitrogen is present in proteins. Human blood is an example of organelle, tissues, organic compound, inorganic compound. The correct answer is option B. Human blood is an example of tissues. Which disease has been totally eradicated from the world because of effective vaccination? Measles, polio, smallpox, hepatitis. The correct answer is option C. Smallpox disease has been totally eradicated from the world because of effective vaccination. The tumor which are of small size and localized are called benign, malignant, cancerous, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The tumors which are of small size and localized are called benign. Which of the following elements is obtained from the CLG? Argon, sulfur, nitrogen, iodine. The correct answer is option D. Iodine elements is obtained from the CLG. The first cloned animal was goat, cow, rat, sheep. The correct answer is option D. The first cloned animal was sheep. Ribosomes and DNA are also present in mitochondria, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes. The correct answer is option A. Ribosomes and DNA are also present in mitochondria. Sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation, insertion of gene, deletion of gene, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Sickle cell anemia is an example of point mutation. Which of the following brings back deoxygenated blood from different parts of human body to heart? Veins, arteries, nerves, lungs. The correct answer is option A. Veins bring back deoxygenated blood from different parts of human body to heart. Animals obtain carbohydrate mainly from glucose, starch, sucrose, glycogen. The correct answer is option B. Animals obtain carbohydrates mainly from starch. Total number of amino acids in a hemoglobin molecule are 554, 564, 574, 584. The correct answer is option C. Total number of amino acids in a hemoglobin molecule are 574. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores, consumer, carnivores, omnivores. The correct answer is option A. Animals that eat plants are called herbivores. Which of the following carbohydrate is tasteless? Monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide, none of these. The correct answer is option C. Polysaccharide carbohydrate is tasteless. Under a compound microscope, chromosome is made of arms and centromere, centrosome, chromatid, none of these. The correct answer is option A. Under a compound microscope, chromosome is made of arms and centromere. Intake of liquid material by cell membrane is called endocytosis, exocytosis, phagocytosis, phagocytosis. The correct answer is option D. Intake of liquid material by cell membrane is called phagocytosis. Which disease can be controlled by vaccination? Measles, cancer, diabetes, heart attack. The correct answer is option A. Measles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQs 1 for latest informative MCQs.